Hello, Kabsat. Morning. Good morning. Ayan, nagsisialisan na sila, guys. Sa last station pa ako. Hindi masyadong matao ngayon. Kasi usually, walang available na seats. Pero ngayon, medyo madami-dami siya. Happy Sunday, Super Plant. No, it's not. You're not late. I'm just too early. It's just like that. O diba? O diba? Lena lang. Live until i-meet ko yung friend ko. From here to there. Maybe like anong station na ba ako? Songxiao dun. Ito yung kasama kong umakyat kanino. Ba't siya dito? Settled na nga ako sa isang chair. Ano po yung outfit natin ngayon? Ano siya? Show me your face. I don't want to. I'm sorry but not good. My feet is at home. That's my feet. Rose channel, how are you? How are you? How are you guys? Ilang minutes pa ba ako? Sun Yat-sen Memorial. Malapit-lapit na guys. Please support me, my friend. Do connect to everyone else there. Rose channel. Q Mars Cooking. Brown. What is that brown for? Super plant. Traveling. Brown cup. Yeah. It's good for summer. It's summer cup. Tell me. Where's your friend? Not yet here. I'll gonna meet her. That's why I'm going to her place right now. Maybe like after some minutes. I don't know where she is, but yeah, I'll gonna meet her. Just take some time. My outfit for today? Nah, just simple. Just a plain shirts, black shoes, and polka dots. Kalangay yarn. Ellie loves. Hello, Ellie. Oh, who's that? Ito pala yung pwedeng mag-highlights ako, di ba? Ay, naka-ninja pala ako. Gamitin mo muna yung main mo para siya yung bigyan natin ng ng damit. Ellie loves. Kanino to? Hindi ko pa siya ma-check eh. Super plant that. Aloe vera. Wait, mag-ano nga ako? Mag-highlights nga pala ako kasi andito ako sa labas. Ay. I know, right? Pocky Pocky.